How to add a location to your Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to tag your location on a snap using the location sticker on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, take a photo or video snap by tapping or holding the capture button. From there, once your snap is ready, tap on the stickers icon on the right side of the screen. At this point, a sticker panel will appear. Tap on the search bar at the top and type in location to quickly find the location sticker. In the next step, tap on the location sticker from the results to add it to your snap. Following this, the sticker will automatically detect your current location and display it on your snap. Once done, tap and drag the location sticker to reposition it anywhere on the snap that looks good to you. From here, pinch in or out on the sticker to resize it to your preference. At this stage, you can also tap on the sticker itself to cycle through different location sticker styles until you find one you like. Finally, once you're happy with how it looks, tap on Send To and choose where you want to share your snap, whether it's your story, a friend, or both. And that's it. If this Snapchat guide helped you add a location to your snaps, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.